How to turn off Apple Music notifications on your iPhone. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to disable Apple Music alerts in just a few steps. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Next, scroll down and tap Notifications. Here, you'll see a list of apps that can send notifications. Scroll down and look for Music. Depending on your iPhone version, Apple Music notifications may appear under Music rather than Apple Music. Once you find it, tap on Music. Now, simply turn off the Allow Notifications toggle. After disabling this option, you will no longer receive notifications from Apple Music on your iPhone. If you don't see the Music app in the notifications list, try scrolling through the entire list carefully, as it may only appear after the app has sent notifications at least once. On some iPhone versions, you may also find music-related suggestions under Siri settings. Tap on the Siri suggestions and scroll down until you find Music, and simply turn off notifications. And that's how to turn off Apple Music notifications on iPhone. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips and Apple tutorials.